see if this thing goes off. If there are any spirits here that would like to communicate with us, oh damn, I just saw a shadow on my camera. I thought for a second that was a ghost. I just saw a spooky shadow move across my camera, and I thought maybe that was a ghost. But that was just my head, just my own head. But that did scare me though for a second. If there are any spirits here that would like to communicate with us, give us a sign, move a bush, knock something over. What's that sound? There's such a strange sound that I keep hearing. It almost sounds like wind, but it comes and goes, and I have no idea what it is or where it's coming from.